Okay, good day to Dr. Sadikin. We are from group 2, myself, Malini, and my partner, Wan Irni Aida. So today we are doing this video to present our lab 3, which is the state space representation. So now I'm going to share the lab sheet. Okay, so this is the lab sheet, state space representation. So the objective of this laboratory session is to find a mathematical representation called the state space representation for an electrical system. And then the second one is to implement and analyze the system response of control system obtained from state space and transfer function. So basically for this lab, firstly we did the calculation to represent the state space for this given electrical network, which consists of RLC, okay, as you can see, RLC with the AC input, and the output here is the voltage across the capacitor. So first we did the calculation for the state space and the given state variable, and then we analyze the unit step output response using MATLAB, and then we convert the state space to transfer function, and we also use MATLAB to check the output of the unit step response. So that's all for the lab sheet part. Now my partner Wan Irni Aida will be showing the output that we got using the MATLAB coding and also the Simulink. We did using two methods. So let's see what result that we got. Wan, you can proceed now.
Okay, thank you, Mal. And now I'll be showing the part A for MATLAB. As you can see, this is the coding for part A, and the letters stand for A is system matrix, B is input matrix, C is output matrix, and D is feed forward matrix. And then the result is this is the result that obtained. Next is part B. Part B is same as part A, but there's a plus with numerator and denominator, and the system is numerator and denominator, and the result is it again. And the result is as shown. Next, for the Simulink model, for part A is as shown, and then we run, and the figure is as shown here. Next, for part B, Simulink model, same as we run here. Figure is obtained, and that's all for the experiment simulation. Well,
Alright, thank you, Wan. So what we can conclude from the results that has been obtained using the coding and also the Simulink, okay, we eventually got the same output graph, which is a stable system. Why we say it's a stable system? Because the graph is oscillating at the start, but when the time goes on, the graph approaches to zero, which means it is a stable system. So whether we use it to represent using a transfer function or state space representation, we still obtain the same result, which is a stable system. So I think that's all from us. We have attached all the other informations in our lab report. So yeah, that's all from us. Anything else you want to add, Juan?
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.